All right, everyone, welcome back. Looking at Pepe. So Pepe, from the chart that we have here, we are going to look at a different chart or a different perspective here in just a minute. But I wanted to explain this chart before we take it off. So from this chart here, you can see we've been holding support at the top of our box at the 236 at 149. We fell below it, tested it as resistance, came down to the bottom of our box here, our price area. We recently broke below this here and we're testing it as resistance. So it's kind of repeating itself here. So that would tell you the next stop is down here at 105 on Pepe here. So if this is our confirmation that we're going down from that retest of that support turn resistance, then you're looking at a potential 18 to 19% drop from where you are right now at 129 down to this 105 area. So that is definitely a possibility on Pepe. And for those saying the bottom is in and bullish divergence here on the stock RSI, you can see the stock RSI is flat and we have the price going down. So that is bullish divergence. But just one thing to point out, the last time we had the price going down, we also had bullish divergence here, flat on the stock RSI here. And you can see we really didn't do anything but just go to resistance and come back down. So it does not have to play out to where this thing just takes off from the bottom here. From what I see from this bigger fib here is, we lost support and now we're down here below our box and we're testing it as resistance, and then we're going to start falling off the table at that point. So with that said, we're going to actually take all of this off of the chart here, and I'm going to draw a new fib that's going to tell a little bit of a different story, give us another couple of price points. So from the low to the high here, you can see that on here, from the low to the high, all the way down here to our 618 retracement, but ultimately we fell below it. So we're sitting right on our 786 at 122. We had a nice little bounce here. You can see the moving averages are curling bearish here, so they're gonna help push the price down here. So if we do move up from where we are right now at 129, you can see here the price to get over is 137. So if we do move up, you have your 21-day EMA and you have your 100 here right at this 618 at 137. So about a 6.5% move. This is going to be your first price to get over if we're going to be bullish, or if we're going to have a shot at being bullish. So we have to get over this 137 to begin with, and of course you have your 50 here at 143, and then ultimately your 0.5 here. We need to get over this 149 area for Pepe to get momentum back to the upside, to actually be bullish to the upside. So just kind of watch those there. And if we go by this fib here, you can see that if we do come back down to that bottom at 105, and then we end up losing that, we do have another support down here where we pick up a 0 actually, and we come down here to the 8.7. So watch those couple of prices to the upside if the bottom is in for Pepe, and hopefully it is. Hopefully you guys make a lot of money. But if it is not, watch to the downside, watch 122. If we drop 5% and you lose 122, then your next stop is 105 for that 18 to 19% drop, depending on where you are in price. So watch those two prices to the downside, and if you lose the 105 area, Pepe is looking to drop about 32% down here to 8.7. So just watch those three prices to the downside. If we break 122, then you know you're coming down here to 105. And if we move up, you break past 137, and your moving averages here in the 134 to 139, they're going to change, of course. And we get up here to 149. A break over 149, then Pepe will get its bullishness back, and it will actually have momentum to go up. So those are your prices to watch on Pepe. Hopefully that helped a little bit. Ikanashi is printing green here. So it has a small trend up, and it has a little bit of momentum up right now. So we'll see if the bottom is actually in off of this 786 here. So just watch all those different prices there. If you need to, rewind the video, but hopefully it helped. And with that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel, like the video if it helped, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.